Now, how do you do collage photos on the iPhone? Let's get started. So on the iPhone, we have more options on how we can do this. At first, there are plenty of collage makers on the App Store. So you can get plenty of different apps which allow you to get these like templates and, put photos into them, rearrange them and stuff, and end up with a finished product. The thing about it is that most of these apps have the like subscriptions in place and in-app purchases active, so it's very likely that you will put some photos together and it will not let you unless you pay. Depends, right? There are plenty of apps which might not do that, but plenty of apps as well which also like to ask for all of the different things. But yeah, that's kind of how it works. You can get an app, and as you can see, it already tells me that I can start a trial for that. But yeah, anyways, the reason why I'm mentioning this is that there are apps which ask for the subscription and everything, but you also have the Instagram, most likely, where you can go and start a brand new story, and there is the layout option, and you can use the built-in Instagram's feature to lay out literally your photos and videos into a collage like that. You can change the grid if you prefer. You can upload your photos from the gallery or capture it directly from the camera. And then once you're done, you don't have to publish it on the platform, but you just click on the save button and you can store it in your Photos app. So depends on what exactly you prefer, but using the Instagram, it's simple, it's easy. I kind of like to do it a lot, but if not, you'll probably need some more options from the third-party apps as well. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll see you later in the future.